The strength there is no kukhanya Zulu. She is strong. After everything that's been out and being said about her fiance, she's going ahead with umshado shemu girl. She's not gonna miss out on all of this. I do hope that she's not signing any prenups because it's I don't see it lasting. Not with this guy so busy. He will never stop going after the slay queens. He will never stop. I hope she's ready for all of that. Because Konamanje, the wedding preparations are ongoing. He is busy sending, "Oh, I miss you." Kuma Instagram lives abo Mihlali. Kanjani? Uqala uchuku because he knows ukuthi Mihlali is involved with this other married man. Why is he doing that? No, nkosazana lo shadayo. She has to tolerate all of that. Hayi ngeke ni strong bafazi. Is it love or is it money? Hayi because wow. Siyawubekezelela udoti shem. Hayi siyawubekezelela udoti. I hope she's marrying in community of property. Kuzothi mekuphela hambe nayo yonke into amqothula amshiya amchuthe njengenkukhu. Azofunda ukurespect abafazi lo bhuti. Hayi kodwa nje are you strong shem? Are you strong sis? I give it to her.